Hopefully this thing starts. Been a little minute. That push to start though. Come on. Almost. There we go. Taking the side streets, trying not to get a state ref. Hurry up, I need to get to the shop, it's starting to rain. Sure did sound good. Yep, so these rotors are done. They don't stop for shit. Over here, I believe these are 88 rotors. Duralast golds, bro. I've been using those for a long time. Warranty, take it back, I don't have to worry about them. They work excellent on my Z. No problems, no brake dust either. I don't know about these ones. I'm not gonna use these.
It's alright, you don't need off-road.
This doesn't even look that bad, but they fucking suck.
What do you mean, the shakes?
Nah, it just don't stop. Like, it just has no stopping power. The rotor, the pads don't even look that bad. Unless they're glazed. Oh, fucking piece of shit. Alright, and there we go. New rotors and pads. Hopefully this shit stops now. Look pretty good. Oh, I love my Evo, it looks sick. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Very nice, I like. Alright, so what's left to do? Pull the fuel pump out because of the floater is stuck, so the gauge don't work. And then gotta put hood pins because this side of the hood wants to fit all perfect and this side wants to fit retarded. And I've tried adjusting the latch, everything, shit just doesn't, it's just the way the hood is. So just needs to sit like that, it'll look better. That's about it, man. Yeah, I hate putting on hood pins, bro. Because if you fuck up on the hood pins, that's it. your hood's done. So hopefully, this hurts. Damn, bro. My hood might be fucked up. All right. It's ready for me to blow it up. Ready for me to brake boost, you know. Got my rotors again. Oh, yep. Hood pins on. Works. Might not be perfect, but the naked eye can't really tell. So yeah, that's that. If it wasn't raining tomorrow, then I'd be getting this thing tuned, but it is what it is. Oh, yup. Made that fit a little better. Not perfect, but definitely better. So clean. Well, I would say it's a pretty successful day. Got my hood pins on the Evo, which I needed to do. Took out the fuel pump, fixed the gauge, put the rotors on. Everything's pretty much ready right now. So yeah, it was scheduled for tomorrow for the tune, but as you see, we got the shitty weather right now. All of a sudden, hasn't rained in like months. But when it's time to tune the Evo, it wants to rain, so it's all good. I'll just reschedule it. I think he said he had another opening on Friday, so that'll work. Man, I'm low-key tired. It's time to go grab some food. I haven't ate all day, bro. And that is pretty much gonna be it for the video, guys. Once again, thank you for tuning in. Yeah, dude, we're almost at 70K. It's crazy, man. Just to think of, I started my YouTube channel like riding my dirt bike and stuff, man, and coming up on 100,000 subscribers. That's pretty crazy. So appreciate you guys, man. Shout out to the OG subscribers, shout out to the new ones, shout out to the ones that haven't subscribed yet. Yeah, man, the videos aren't gonna stop. As you guys can tell, I'm getting more consistent with it. Like I said, I try my best, but I thought I'd bring you guys another little GoPro video today. So if you guys are interested in purchasing one, you should be able to make your decision based off this video. Isn't that crazy? The car brakes for me. It's pretty cool. Yeah, you guys should be able to make your decision. I honestly, so far with the GoPro 7, I'm gonna highly recommend it. After using the GoPro 1, the GoPro 3, I would highly recommend the 7. The quality, the audio, everything's amazing on it. It's really, really good. So yeah, shout out to the new GoPro. This is gonna be the first time I'm testing it at night. I'm gonna go in there and watch this footage and see how it came out for the night shots. But as far as the daytime, everything's excellent. So yeah, man, stay tuned. I wish it wasn't gonna be raining tomorrow. Hopefully some miracle happens and it's not raining and I can hopefully go tune the Evo. If not, maybe by like Friday I should be able to tune it. But the next upload is for sure gonna be the Evo tune. So stay tuned for that. I'm out.